Alright, what is up guys? It is Peak Reacts and I'm back now with episode 5 of the Portland Trailblazers rebuild. I simulated the trade deadline. As you see, we are 32-20, so we dropped down from tied for the 1 seed. We're the 4 seed now, but we're very close behind the Mavericks. I think we can realistically end with a 3 seed at the end of the year. And to this episode, we're gonna make a trade. That'll happen for sure. The roster the rotation right now, Dame has been very good. Let's see, he's averaging 28, still doing his thing. CJ has picked it up a lot, and I saw some people comment that they want me to trade CJ. But one, this is a realistic rebuild. I don't think they're trading CJ next season. And two, we're the 3 seed. I think we're the 4 seed. We're fine, and CJ has picked up, and in games I've played, especially there was one game, it was right here. CJ McCollum 45 and 11. Dame fouled out and CJ took over in the 4th. That was one of the best performances, and he hit the game winner in overtime. Some of the other games I've seen, this game against the Timberwolves, Lillard played well, McCollum played well. McCollum's really picked it up recently. This one, Lillard played well. McCollum, he might not even get shots up, but he's still shooting the ball very efficiently. 32 for Lillard here. Gary Trent, Obi Toppin. I have Obi Toppin starting at power forward right now. So I definitely, on the move, is going to be Whiteside. Whiteside's going to go. I just don't have room for these 2 centers. I don't think they can coexist because Whiteside's too good to come off the bench, and we have bigger issues at power forward and small forward. And then I think what I'm going to do, I might go after LaMarcus Aldridge. I might do it. And he would run power forward and he would go to an 86. The issue is, you know what? I'm thinking about this as I'm talking to you. He's on a 1-year deal. That is the issue. And then I also said Gordon Hayward. I don't know why I said that, because if I'm going to get a small forward at least, I want to get a defensive small forward. I could go after Rocco, but look at him. He is getting terrible now. So I'm just going to go to roster and then just go by small forward. Who is a good defensive small forward? John Isaac is good. He's annoyed, but he only has 1 year left on his contract. I saw someone comment John Isaac. I'm completely against that. Good 3-point shot. Let's see. Kelly Oubre. All these guys are gonna have 1 year left on their contract pretty much. So what I might do, if I'm gonna go after, who was it? John Isaac? I don't know if I don't want to trade Whiteside for that, but I might do that. Pick up John Isaac. So we would have, just pretend John Isaac's here. We're gonna Hood, Trent, and I would have Carey be our backup center. He wouldn't play much minutes. And I still got the odd man out here with Little. So I think I'm gonna do a trade for John Isaac. I think that's a good person to go after. He's obviously really an 84 in real life. No offers. The issue, the money might not match up well. That is an issue. So John Isaac might not be able to come to the team. Money would be an issue. Oh, I passed the Magic. Here we go. So if I threw Hassan, they have. See, that's not a realistic trade. That's the issue. They don't need a center. I can't do John Isaac. They don't value him enough. I just don't think Aldridge is a smart trade because the spacing wouldn't be there. Cause I gotta get rid of Whiteside. He's not gonna cut it for me. He's had a good season, don't get me wrong, but we have no room for him. I'm bringing Will Barton. Let me just throw Hassan and I guess just Ariza and a trade finder together. Valanciunas, I don't need anything like Nick Batum. No. Oladipo wouldn't be bad. Blake Griffin, it's not a terrible trade. John Wall. I think I'm gonna go after Aldridge. Like, I want LaMarcus Aldridge on this team. So it works. But then you throw me your first. It's a valuable asset. What if we just swapped first? You don't want to do that. Just Hassan for Aldridge straight up. That's what I'm giving you a good center. Throw me a second too. No. What about straight up? No. There's no other players I technically want to get rid of. How much? Jalen Hart is. I'll just throw you a second round pick next year. No. See, I don't want to throw first in this trade because I don't think. Can I just do trade finder for Aldridge? Would that work? There we go. They want CJ or Hassan, and I'm not gonna have Obi Toppin. Okay. So we might have to throw in a first with that, which I'm not gonna cry over. But I don't really want to throw in this year's first. There we go. So we pick up LaMarcus Aldridge. I change him to power forward. And he slots in at the starting power forward. And then off the bench we got Obi Toppin and Gary Trent. Those are our two guys. That bench unit is looking nice. So I think we still just need some defense with the small forward position. We got defense with Nurk, but Aldridge isn't going to bring much defense. And then the expandable guys, so like Hood would go to the bench if we got one. I think. Oh gosh, this is tough. Except I want to give, like, now we got two power forwards and two. What if I change Zach Collins to center and I ran him at backup center? Ooh, I'm in a tough predicament. I'm not sure what I want to do right now. So I definitely want to keep Hood. I feel like we don't need Little. Is he on the last year of his deal? Okay, so we have two team options with him. I don't even need a reason anymore. He's just sitting there. Okay, so if we trade for someone, I'm just gonna throw Jalen Hort in the starting lineup. Vernon Carey, Myers Leonard in the starting lineup. Who fucking cares? Sure, swap minutes. That means off the bench we would have Obi Toppin, Gary Trent. Then I'll want Hood, Simons. I'll need a center. This is tough. I just don't know where I want to go with this. I like our front court right here. I like our back court, obviously. It's just, who am I willing to part ways with? Is it Zach Collins? God, this is a tough decision. Do. Okay, Gary Trent, Obi Toppin, and Rodney Hood are safe. So those positions are good. Simons is fine for a backup point guard. It's just, I need a starting small forward. And the odd men out are technically these three down here. You know what, I think I'm gonna keep Little is sadly the odd man out. I'm gonna change Zach's position to center. I know his overall goes down, but I'm fine with that right now. I'm gonna go Little Ariza. And can I get a starting small forward? Little's got enough value. A nice defensive small forward. I see Paul Millsap, but obviously. Let me just go to team intel. Like, who is a good small forward for us? I gotta figure out who we want to target first. And it doesn't even need to be anybody like elite. Like, this is where having Isaac Okoro would be clutch right now. I need a person who would like be willing to go younger. What if I could try to get John Isaac here? The money would work now. This might be the one I want to go for. Magic. John Isaac. He's got a lot of value. Little doesn't have value. And what? 4 more million? Oh, I obviously have that Ariza's fat ass contract. They would need 2 million. I would need to acquire 2 million back. Oh, I need legit 2 million. Give me Austin Rivers. It's less than Austin Rivers. You're not giving me Denny. Gary Payton. 978K over. Give me just. Can't take Brantley. I can't take Dorsey because he's in the damn G League. What if you gave me Kim Birch? He's not getting it. Okay. Too much for Jonathan Isaac. I will give you. I can't do this year's first. I will give you a 2024 first and a second. How do I get John Isaac? Is it Zach Collins that's the odd man out, actually? I already know he doesn't want to stay. What do I need to give up for John Isaac? Because I can always... No, I need Zach Collins. Okay, I need to go to these settings real quick, change that My League rule, stipend rule. Because I've seen teams trade their first round picks plenty of times. Okay. So we want to give you, John Isaac. We want to give you Nasir Little and Trevor Ariza, and you give us Birch. We will give you this year's first. That has no value in this. I will legit give you two first. Oh, I just don't think this is gonna work. What was the trade finder they wanted for John Isaac? Like, I feel like that would just be a good pickup. Who did you pick? Nobody. Okay, so if not John Isaac, who else is out there? Will Barton? I would bring back Will Barton. Have a nice, just a huge. They only want Trevor Ariza. I would do that. We don't need that much of a reunion. I don't like him. I don't like it. OG Anunoby. Robert Covington's a great pickup. We all know it, but he is terrible in 2K. Kelly Oubre on the last year of his deal. Find a way to get John Isaac. Maybe, what if it's trading Zach Collins instead? I might have to do that. Let's go back to John. John Isaac would be a great pickup. What if I just went trade finder for those? Nasir Little, Trevor Ariza, and this year's first round pick. I need a small forward, a defensive one. I just need one good player. No first. Is that gonna change anything? Nope. What about Zach Collins? Zach Collins, Trevor Ariza. Small forward. There's just not enough. There's just nothing I like out here. That's the issue. I need to find a way to get John Isaac on this team. Damn, would that be a good pickup? John Isaac is the perfect one. What if I tried Zach Collins and Trevor Ariza? Who gave us back? Oh, Zach Collins makes more, so how much? 5 million. Give us Ed Davis. Bruh, Zach Collins doesn't work in this trade. It has to be. Asset. I'll give you a first in 2 seconds. That's the most I'll go, bruh. Oh my gosh, this is so disappointing. What if we might just need to run it out with what we got, but the issue is then I've just got too many guys down here. She could work. I'm just gonna ride it out. Is going to be our backup center, so we got shooting guard, power forward, small forward, point guard, and Zach Collins will round it out at center. I would have loved to get off of Trevor Ariza, but we'll just do that at the end of the year. That's the only trade we'll make. If we do any more contract extensions, he will resign, but I don't think I don't need to resign him. He's not a huge issue. If you were interested, Damian Lillard did make an all-star team, which is fun. Oh, season, is there award races yet, or is that only award races? Let's see if we have anybody here, like Obi Toppin's not in there? I would have expected he was, and no Portland Trailblazers people, that's disappointing. Okay, I think I'm gonna send him right past the trade deadline. I'll go right here. We're done. This is what our team's gonna look like. I know probably some of you would be disappointed that we didn't train anybody able to simulate these games. See, we beat the Clippers. First game against the Clippers, Nurkic goes off, Aldridge has a good game. I'll just simulate to here and then I'm going to end the video. I don't want to do any scouting yet. See, we beat Aldridge's old team. Let's see what he did in his return. And do we beat the Warriors? We do. Okay, so that trade so far looks like we beat some good teams. Aldridge at 18 and 7. Dame at 5 points. Why is he only shooting 6 shots? All right. But that's going to do it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Next episode, I will be finishing the season and getting right into the playoffs. We are sitting at the 4 seed. Hopefully we get up to the 3. I think we can. And until then, that'll be it, guys. Peace.